Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my love for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest videos. So the videos over today bring some special beautiful crochet scarf free ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Most demanding crochet scarf free ideas. Very beautiful. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful designing. Most demanding crochet collection. Very nice. Beautiful designing. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Very nice. Beautiful ideas. Different pattern, different style. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.